Hey guys, Nick with Red Hawk Rifles here. Today we're going to be showing how easy it is to install an ARCA rail onto a fiberglass or carbon fiber stock. It may seem overwhelming at first for a lot of guys, but once you do it, it's super easy. We're going to show you how to do it. So step one, obviously, is to take your barreled action out of the stock. Super easy, just the two action screws right there come out. Barreled action comes right out. Step two, on this particular rail, we aligned one mounting hole with one of the sling stud screws to make it easier. You don't have to do this if you want to align your rail a little bit differently, but we did it to have to drill one less hole. So step three, we use that existing sling stud hole and actually installed one screw into the rail to give us our alignment and spacing for the remaining holes. Using a center punch, we marked out where our holes needed to be and removed the rail. On the drill press, we drill out our marked holes. We use a piece of masking tape to control depth so we don't over drill. Once the holes are drilled, using a 1032 tap, we're able to tap actually into the stock rather than have to use a nut. AG Composites does a special thing where they actually have an aluminum block that stretches the whole length of the handguard all the way to 1 inch in front of the recoil lug. Super great option. It makes it much easier to install the rail and provides a lot of rigidity and strength. We also used a 1032 tap to keep consistent with the existing sling studs, which are a 1032 thread. So once your holes are tapped, that's it. It's that easy. You just simply mount your ARCA rail, torque it down. It doesn't take a lot of torque. Make sure you're not wrenching on it because it is just aluminum in there. It will strip out. So torque her down and reinstall your barreled action, and you're good to go. You're ready to rock. The benefits of the ARCA rail are awesome. I mean, you can mount everything from bipods. You can mount it on a tripod. Barricade stops if you're competing. They're really kind of the universal setup. We like them quite a bit.